So now let's see how we can create events on another calendar inside of Google Calendar. So over here you can see that whenever I create an event, and then let's say for example if I were to choose a color, then what happens is that this is actually saved out in my calendar right here. You can see that the check mark besides my name is blue right now, and over here you can see that there's a blue strip in the beginning of this as well. So that is because the event is on my calendar. In case of birthdays and reminders, then it'll actually stay on that calendar. So let's say I want to have one event on test calendar and another event on TutorTube calendar. So in order to do that, simply go around, create event as usual, and then name it as event right here. And then what you can do is you can go around over here and then click on this area, click on it here again, and here you can see that you can select out different calendars. So let's say I want this to be test calendar. Now you can immediately see that the color changes. If I were to choose another color right here, then you can actually see a strip of black because this is what I have right here. If I were to go around and change a different color right here, you can see that now the strip changes according to the color that I chose right here. So if I were to select red, then this is red and so forth, as you can see. So let me just select the graphite color right here. You can also change the existing events and keep it in a different calendar. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the meeting event right here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on event right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around right here and then change this out to TutorTube calendar. So once I do that, what happens is that I can press save, and now you can see that all of the meetings that I have has been changed onto a different calendar. And that is how you can create events on another calendar inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.